Assalamu alaikum, dear student. My name is Afsheen, your SST teacher, and today our topic is the phases of moon. The first question is this: what is moon? As you all know, the moon does not has its own light, and sun gives light to the moon. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, we cannot see the moon at all. This is because the side of the moon facing the earth does not get its sunlight. This is called the new moon. After 2 to 3 days, we can see some part of the moon. This phase is called waxing crescent. As the moon gaining light, expanding the illumination, we use the term waxing. About a week after the new moon, we can see half of the moon. This phase is called first quarter. 2 or 3 days after the first quarter, more than half of the moon is visible. This phase is called the waxing gibbous. About 2 weeks after the new moon, we can see the full moon. This is because the full side of the moon facing the earth gets sunlight. Now the moon begins its return journey from the full moon to the new moon. The next phase is called the waning gibbous. As the moon is now losing light, so it is decreasing its illumination, we use the term waning. The next phase is the last quarter, followed by the waning crescent, when the moon comes back between the earth and the sun. It enters the new moon phase again. Number of days between two new moon is 29, as the moon take approximately 29 days to revolve once around the earth. These changing of the shape of the moon are called phases of the moon. Now your assignment for today is to find any video related to the phases of moon and also write your views on it, and kindly send the assignment on the address given below.